Yep, all right, guys. So, in case you do not know, OpenAI has launched OpenAI Academy, and I love it. This video, I want to show you guys what you can learn from OpenAI Academy. So, OpenAI, I think most of you know they have a partnership with Microsoft. So, it is sort of like Microsoft style of learning, it's like Microsoft Learning. This is OpenAI Academy. The style is very much different. Not different, very much the same. Okay, so if you come here, that this is the home. Obviously, if you want to sign up, it's academy.openai.com, and you sign up. As long as you've got uh, you know um, an OpenAI account, you will be able to get in here and start checking it out. So they've got events, all events, upcoming events, past events. So for the past events, I believe you can watch the replays. For example, scaling enterprise AI through systems thinking. Click on the replay. You can actually watch the replay from here. Yeah, so it's quite exciting. Yep. Yeah, so scaling enterprise AI through systems thinking. Yeah, so even with the past ones, most of them you can do a replay. Then no, the ones that are going to happen now will come under now, and upcoming ones, prompting with purpose, best practices and techniques for ChatGPT. This is a very good one if you want to learn how to prompt with purpose, prompt very well for ChatGPT. And it's happening in 3 days. Then they have live in 6 days, building a multi-agent system. Build a multi-agent system using OpenAI Agents SDK. It's also a very good one. So most of them in my time zone, it's happening from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m., which is very good. It's a good time for me. It's not happening during the time that I'm working. So yeah, I think I'll probably sign up for this one. Build a multi-agent system using OpenAI Agents SDK. Then they have got what they call content. And here they've got very good content. So they've got this ChatGPT fundamentals, GPT for builders. Let's check it out. So here is some training on how you can use GPT if you're a builder, if you're a developer, which is really, really cool. Then AI for nonprofits prompting 101. Yeah, this is also something to help you to prompt, especially if you're a nonprofit. Then they've got GPT for Omni, fine tuning build hour. So this is like one of their old models, GPT-4 Omni. I don't really know whether it's still relevant, but yeah, because we are now doing GPT-5. So, but yeah, they've got all of these here. Then, yeah, they've got collections, professors teaching with OpenAI. What's the new OpenAI for government, OpenAI for business? Chat GPT on campus, Sora tutorials, developer build hours. Yeah, this enhancing recommendation with LLMs build hour, function call and build hour, fine tuning build hours, assistance. Yeah, so they've got a lot of things. They've got a lot of things on offer. So yeah, definitely check it out. They've got I think this is market research with ChatGPT, strategic planning with ChatGPT, shipping code to your ID with ChatGPT. So they've got so many things that if you go through, something will be relevant to you. Okay. Yeah, I really love that they've got all of these and it's free. Then they've got communities. So communities, You can join a community, work users, admins, champions, builders. For example, I want to join builders, and you can join the community of builders. So if I click on join, welcome, you said that you have joined, confirmed to join, then you join. Then yeah, you can even have more tailored content for builders, and yeah, it's just great. So model optimization. If you want to know how to optimize models for accuracy, performance, and cost efficiency, you can learn that in this community. He says, as a builder, you play a role in turning ideas into powerful AI solutions, whether you are exploring core AI techniques, applying solution patterns, or developing end to end applications. Builders master the tools and approaches that bring ideas to life. From agents and RAG to fine tuning and more, you'll have the resources to design, optimize, and launch AI solutions with confidence. So yeah, it's great. I really love it. Then you have what is new using ChatGPT to spot scams. So yeah, I mean this is great because as we know, we live in a world of scammers. Every time somebody trying to scam you, so this is gonna be a good training to check it out. Then we have introducing GPT-5, new shared projects. Then work. We have users, admins, champions, builders, education, K-12. This is more like an American thing, but you can have the equivalent of it in whichever country that you are in. Non-profits. When I say American, then I mean the K-12 is like that's the term used in the US. And we have, if you're in government, they also have something for government. So yeah, I mean, by all means, check this out. Sign up. It's free and check it out. I would definitely will be checking it out and uh, you know make very good use of the resources here. Um, everyone should take responsibility, uh, of actually learning AI because whether we like it or not, it has come to stay. So all of us need to take that responsibility and learn AI. So this is a very great opportunity for you to learn AI in depth from the guys who made Gen AI, very popular, OpenAI. So definitely check it out and let me know in the comments um, your experience and how you are finding it when you check it out. All right, I'll see you in the next video. I hope this was of some value. If you want to support me, you can follow me, like, share, subscribe, depending on where you are watching from, what platform you're watching from. But hey, I'll catch you in the next video. I'm going to be sharing a lot of stuff about, uh, AI, machine learning, and all of that. So if you are interested in those comments, if you are interested in those kind of content, you can subscribe, follow me so that you don't miss any of the things I share in this area. And of course, I'm also going to share with you my learning because I'm no expert. I'm also learning. All right. So catch you later. Bye for now.